What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scale It Learning channel. And today we are continuing with our SAT prep week. So we're doing a stream every day. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I want to position and kind of plan out the content for the week. Right now, I just finished my tutoring day. I had a long day and I'm just working on another mini test. Sorry, just doing a quick audio check. And these mini tests are great. I love them. They're really kind of like a diverse group of problems, and we can kind of burn through them in under 15 minutes. So we're going to do that. But like I said, I'm still kind of thinking what we're going to do for especially next week, the cram week. And that's it. I hope you guys have been watching the channel and finding the videos helpful. I've been getting a lot of comments the last couple of weeks as we're getting closer and closer. So that's been super cool. And I'm making sure to check them and respond as much as possible. Now we're in this zone. 1380 and get a 1450. Yeah, you can do it, but you're going to have to drill hard. So this is crunch time. And I think I'm seeing some gains right now in the last week with some of my students. I know I will see that. So you definitely can do it. Depends where you can get the points. If there's room in the math section, right? If you got 70 points that you can still go up, it's very doable. And I'm going to do my best to help you get there. So let's get into it without further ado, because this is my last main work task for the day for the most part. And then I'm out. I'm going to take the rest of the night off. So let's get it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Felipe is saving money for travel. He saved $250 and put towards the trip. To save more money, he gets a job. We can add $350 to his savings to the trip. Let M be the number of months that Felipe has worked his job, and then we're each month, so it's $350M, and then plus that existing $250 to equal $2,700. $350M. D is the winner. Boom, done. You see how I like to create the equation without looking at the answers? I always find that in those cases it really helps. Okay, in the figure at the left, what is the value of M? All right, so I tried to zoom in a little more. I was looking back yesterday. I was like, oh, it's a little small. I don't know. Okay, this is isosceles triangle, which means that, and isosceles right, actually, which means that these two angles are equal. No, sorry, what am I saying? What am I saying? We don't know that. Well, no, we do know that. Hold on. We do know that. Yeah, it is isosceles. This is a weird question because it's not, they don't normally ask it like this, but it is 71. And the reason why is because we have a perpendicular, we have like an altitude that is also the what's it called? It's also hitting the midpoint. Whenever you have that, it is an isosceles triangle, which means that if these sides are equal, these angles are equal. So it has to be 71, but you know. I'm not super, like, I don't really see that weird of a question on the SAT where you have to know that. Okay, what's the value of P? Cross multiply, boom, boom. Negative 28, negative 7 times 4 is negative 28 equals 3 times 9, which is 27, minus 3 times 20P, minus 60P. So I'm going to subtract 27, that's negative 45 equals negative 60P. Divide by negative 60, get rid of that. That becomes positive 45 out of 60, or, oh. It's not there. What did I do? 27 minus 60p equals negative. Oh, that's not 45. Oh my God. It's 55. Oops. So it's 55 over 60. Divide top and bottom by 5, and it's 11 over 12. Positive C. 11 over 12. Let me just make sure that I did that right with the signs. Yeah, it's positive. Okay. I did that right? 11. Yeah, cool. Next. So r plus 300 minus 2. Okay, watch this. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. R plus 300 equals 6 divided by 3 is 2. I'm just seeing that this is easier to do. Then basically I subtract 2 from both sides and it sets equal to 0. I just saw that, so like it's kind of a shortcut. If you want to actually solve for r, you can divide by 3 and then subtract 300. So r is negative 298. So negative 298 plus 300 is 2, minus 2 is 0. What's up, Bilal? I see you said, hey. Okay. Which of the following is equivalent to the above expression? All right, cubic roots. So this is what I like to do. I am looking for perfect cubes. So I'm going to break up 24 first as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, right? Those are the prime factors. V is V. W is, I don't need to do that because W cubed is obviously a perfect cube. And then I can make that w to the 6 times w squared, right? Because they add back up to the 8. So why did I do that? Because v cubed is perfect cube. comes out as V. 2, 2, 2 is a perfect cube, comes out as a 2. W to the 6, the cube root of that is W squared. Because I'm basically like dividing by 3, right? Because W squared is W to the 6. And then W squared stays trapped inside. So 2V W squared cubic root of W squared. Oh, and the 3 stays in. Oops, I forgot. Yeah, so it's C. Number 6. Two linear functions, boom and boom, are graphed on the xy plane. Let A be the y coordinate of vertex function f. Okay. So the y coordinate of vertex function f is 8. And let B be the y coordinate of vertex function, because this is in vertex form. So the vertex here is -2, 8. The vertex here is -2, B. Let A be the y coordinate vertex of f, so it's A. So that's just B. If A is 5 less than B, and A is 8, what is the value of B? So you add 5 to both sides, B is 13. It's a weird problem. It's just not very SAT-like. Okay. Gary learned that the values of the car depreciates, loses value by 15% each year. We need to multiply by 0.85. Cars worth $M now. It's literally 0.85 M. It's B. Because, yeah, it's not 1 minus this. It would be M minus 0.15 M. That's not 1 minus 0.15 M. Because if you're taking 15% away, you have 85% left, hence the 0.85. Okay, the height and fountain horizontal distance x from the nozzle is given in this. Wait, hold on. H is height of stream. What is the best interpretation? Number 7. Wait, height. Got it. 7. Okay, this is in vertex form, so the highest point is occurring 1 foot away, and that highest point is 7. So that's the highest this stream is. It's going to be like a parabola. The highest it's going to get is 7. 1, 7. Nope, not initial height. Stream water reach. Yep, it's B. Let's just see the other choices just for fun. C. No. Water reach of maximum height or distance. No, it's not D. It's the height. It reaches that max height 1 foot away, not 7 feet away. Okay, 9. How much time do we have? I don't even know. 7. The graph function H, graph function G stretch, graph function H is graph function G stretched vertically by a factor of 3 and reflected over the y-axis, which means the x is negated. So it's 3G. It's B. Now, like, do you have to know these transformations so much? I don't think so specifically, like, hey, how do I represent a reflection over the y-axis? You negate the x. How do I do a reflection across the x-axis? You negate the whole function. Stretching, yeah, fine, but it's not so common. So anyways, I would know your transformations, but I wouldn't, like, freak out about this one. Okay, and 10. Define statements about the system is true. Okay. I can tell you, this is in slope-intercept form. So they have different slopes. And if they have different slopes, they're going to have one solution. That's it. Same slopes, same y-intercepts, infinite. Same slopes, different y-intercepts, no solution. So there's only one solution. Oh, wait. Oh, it's good. So cancel this. And y is positive or negative. Okay, now let's figure it out. So we're going to do 2x minus 1 equals y. I'm going to negate the bottom one. Negative 3x plus 1 equals negative y. Boom, cancel. We get 2x plus negative 3x is negative x equals 0, because negative 1 and 1 cancel out. So x is just 0, and y, that means is negative 1. Now we're going to double check 0, negative 1, 0, negative 1. And y is negative. B is the winner. Okay, let's see what we got here. Did I get them all right? Yeah, we got them all. Okay, so I think this is hopefully a better zoom level in terms of like zoom at 200% versus 150. Let me know. Yeah, because I was watching the video back yesterday. I was like, wait, is it blurry or is my thing just rendering? I don't know. So give me feedback and let me know. But that's it. That's how we do it. All right, Rika, good luck. I know nerves to some degree is good. So And yeah, definitely my main series, Mika, the series on the strategies, I definitely recommend that. I definitely recommend my SAT. Just search SAT Math Formula Bible on YouTube, and you should watch that for sure. God, there's so much. I mean, watch the practice test, the walkthroughs. I think the walkthroughs have been really helpful for people, just judging by the views and the comments and the likes and everything. So if you guys haven't joined our Discord server yet, check it out in the description link below. It's totally free, an amazing community of people that are just helping each other prepare for the SAT. And also, if you want to check out our video course, it's in the description link below as well. Super affordable, $15 a month, cancel anytime. 4 amazing practice tests that we cultivated and created ourselves, plus video explanations for every test. Is awesome. And that's it. Yes, definitely practice the full test on Khan Academy. All right, guys. Leave me any comments if you have questions. Leave me a like if you did like this video. Last but not least, if you want to see more from the Scalar Learning channel, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.